Hi everyone, it's Dr. Raj. One of the things that always used to cause some confusion in my mind, we've all heard of this statement that we only use 10% of our brain's capacity or ability. And I never really understood that. In all my training in psychiatry, in all of the readings I've done, I was always confused. That doesn't really make sense. It's not like only 10% of our brain cells are actually alive and the other 90% are not. Right? All of our brain cells are alive. What do they mean by this 10% ability? And I looked far and wide and really couldn't find any good answer for that. Well, I have a thought and want to know what you think. Now, we've talked about the model of the mind. We've talked about the iceberg example in that the part that is above the water, the 10%, is conscious mind. But the big chunk of the mind is below water. It's unconscious. So here's my hypothesis. And my hypothesis is that if we can fully become aware of what is in our unconscious mind, the irrational wishes, the parts of ourselves that are difficult to accept, the things that were painful in our past, that if we could understand those aspects of our mind, that we would have use of all of our mind, not just the conscious part, but also the unconscious part. Now, what's in the unconscious? Well, those are things that have been essentially put in a box and tucked away. That is going to be on a separate clip, but I'm going to get into that next week. This is Dr. Raj saying, be well.